While chai may not scream fall in the same way as apple cider or pumpkin spice, it's always been one of my favorite autumnal beverages. Chai is a type of spiced black tea, but the spices, ratio of water to dairy, and sweetness can vary widely based on region and, more importantly, who is making your chai tea. Ours today is spiced with cardamom, cinnamon, star anise, fresh lemongrass, and fresh ginger. The first step is toasting our dry whole spices on medium-low heat while we cut our lemongrass and ginger. I like to peel my ginger with a spoon because it takes off less flesh than a peeler. The most flavorful ginger is directly under the skin, but the flavor is better released with the skin removed, making a spoon the perfect tool for the job. Then slice on a sharp angle so as much surface area of the ginger is revealed as possible. Next, we want to strike our lemongrass hard several times with the back of our knife. This is called bruising and should always be done when working with lemongrass, as it helps the flavor release. Then, cut it in a similar fashion as the ginger. Add the lemongrass and ginger to the same pot as the spices before adding your liquids and black tea bags. I'm just using milk today because I like mine extra creamy, but most chai purists use a combination of water and milk. I like to tie my tea bags to the handle of the pot so they're easier to retrieve later. Place your pot on the lowest possible heat and let steep to desired strength, stirring occasionally so the milk doesn't scorch. Our tea steeped for about 15 minutes, but taste every few minutes so it's not too strong for you. Then remove spices and tea bags. I'm just going to fish these loose spices out, but to make things a little bit easier on you, you can wrap your toasted spices in cheesecloth before you add your milk. Next, we're going to add in our maple syrup for sweetness. Sugar is the traditional. This is a bit blasphemous, but it's a wonderful way to add some more fall flavor. Finally, we are going to grate in some fresh tonka beans. You can use vanilla if you can't find them, or omit this step entirely. Then all that's left is to pour into mugs, garnish with some freshly grated nutmeg, and enjoy. I hope you learned a little something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I can't wait to cook with you all again soon.